Hello, my name is Leo. I'm happy to show you our Contico task. The idea of the Contico task is that you will receive these Contico boxes in factories, typically with a piece of trash or two in them, and you want to pick out the trash, break down the box, and send it down the roller conveyor. The Contico task involves pulling the Contico container from this roller conveyor, opening this small door, taking out the trash inside the container, collapsing all the 4 walls, and pushing it down the roller conveyor. The reason the Contico task is hard is because the box is very heavy, even for strong humans, and you need to be very precise with your maneuvers on the ball transfer table, because even slight differences in the force can result in different final positions. And maneuvering on the roller transfer table has very little room for error, because if you over-rotate, push too far, or do things like that, you can very easily have the box out of reach for the robot. Our model is able to balance force and precision in completing the Contico task. It's already very robust in all kinds of edge cases, and we're excited to deploy it in production settings.